Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So you guys, a DNA result for Londie London's first child are allegedly out, and it is alleged that the child is not that of her ex Hlubi Nkosi, you guys, as the Popcorn Room reported and alleges that a source close to the situation confirmed all this information to them. So, popular gossip blog reported the news on their Instagram page and said, and I quote, "The DNA results are out. It is alleged that Londie London's firstborn child is indeed not Hlubi Nkosi's son. A source close has revealed this has been the main reason why Londie was sent packing from Hlubi's mansion. The white BMW that was given to her by her ex-fiancé was also confiscated following the rumors of infidelity." Now, furthermore, you guys, there's a new blog there on Instagram called Tea House Mzansi, which has alleged that the baby daddy is the late DJ Sumbody, you guys. They wrote, and I also quote this: "Londie London is trending for all the wrong reasons. Apparently, the biological father of her firstborn son is DJ Sumbody and not a Hlubi Nkosi." Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on the flip side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.